the first. I think she wants some water to put out the burning torch. Isn't me atom seed? Let me clip me dirty wings. Let me take a ride and hurt yourself. Want some help? Help myself. Got some rope, you've been told. Promised you good true. Let me take a ride at yourself. Need some help, help myself. Well, howdy there, pluckers. I was all fingers again with a song from Nirvana there called Polly. Okay. So following this quite popular previous lesson I did on Nirvana, I thought I'd follow it up with this one, and a song called Polly, of course, and like previous version of a Nirvana song, I'm doing it in standard tuning. I think in recorded and on stage versions, Nirvana normally detune their guitars by half a step or one step, depending on which version or recording you're listening to. Okay, but I'm doing it for simplicity in standard tuning. Okay, so there's basically two parts to this song. There's the intro stroke verse section, and then there's the long sort of chorus section, if you want to call it a chorus section. Okay, so the chord sequence for the intro and verse is E minor, G, D, C, round and round and round. Okay, so if you're just using basic open chords, it's okay. What I was doing was basically a more like Nirvana actually plays, maybe not exactly the same, but something very similar, and that's basically an E minor. But I'm basically just hitting the thicker strings, the 6th string, the 5th string and the 4th string. So you do sort of strike it once, and then you sort of do down and up on open strings. And then what I'm doing is a modified G chord, 2 fingers, bottom E string on the 3rd fret, I'm using my 2nd finger. And my 3rd finger is playing the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, the B string. What happens here is this 2nd finger leans across and actually mutes the 5th string, and this 3rd finger is muting the top E string. Okay, so you can strike all 6 strings. It should sound something like that. So you've got then a straightforward D chord, and then a C bar chord or power chord. So I'm playing basically a 3rd fret bar, and my 3rd finger is borrowing the 5th fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings. Or you could just do 2 fingers on the 5th fret of the 4th and 3rd strings, your 3rd finger and pinky. So you could do, but I think that's the way I think it's played normally. Okay, like a bar chord like that. You could use 3 fingers or a bar. Okay, that's what I was doing. So let's do it with normal fingers. I mean, this you could do it with 2 fingers like that, or you could do 2 fingers like that. I'm tended to use those 2 fingers, whichever 2 fingers is more comfortable for you, if you want to use this method. Okay, so, and that's what I do it slowly. Okay, do that twice, and then he comes in with the Polly was a crack at bit. Okay, so it's a cracker. I think I should get off at first. I think she wants some water to put out the burning now we go into this long chorus bit, and the chords on that are standard D chord to the C chord that you played in the verse, in the intro, then the G chord that we played in the verse, and then a B flat. So basically the same chord as the C, but down on the first fret, barring the 4th string, 3rd string and 2nd string on the 3rd fret, with 3 fingers or a single bar. Okay, so you've got, and it's like it's quite quick changes. There's a that sort of thing. Okay, so D to C to G to B flat. And it does that for quite a while. Okay, so we'll go through that from the beginning. We'll do it very slowly, go through the whole thing, and then basically it repeats everything. Okay, so here we go from the beginning. Into another verse, okay, probably wants another cracker, etc. Okay, and then it does another long bit again, so it just repeats more of the same. Okay, so hope that helped you play that song if you're into that sort of thing. Okay, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.